Hi everyone, welcome back to HandiWorks. In today's tutorial, I'll be creating a beautiful flower vase design with a mix of embroidery stitches and techniques. You can download and print the pattern from the link in the description. Let's get started. Use a heat erasable pen for tracing so you can easily correct any mistakes and the marks will disappear when ironed later. I chose a dark grey cotton fabric for this project. Using my light box, I traced the pattern onto the fabric. The light box helps in clearly transferring the design, ensuring accuracy. I fixed my fabric in the embroidery hoop and secured it in my wood-made embroidery hoop stand. This stand is perfect for comfortable and relaxing embroidery. If you're interested in this hoop stand, please check the link in the description. I started with the leaves using a heavy chain stitch. I filled them with 2 shades of green floss to add depth and dimension. I filled some petals with a long and short stitch using 2 shades of pink floss. This creates a beautiful gradient effect. Additionally, I used the cast-on stitch for the tops of the petals. The hoop stand provides stability and frees up both hands, making the stitching process more enjoyable and efficient. Now for the best part, I created 3 more 3D flowers. Here's how. Start with a detached buttonhole stitch for the center of the flower. Add French knots for the stamen to give texture and a realistic appearance. Transfer petal shapes onto red felt fabric using carbon paper. Using felt fabric for the petals adds structure and a striking 3D effect to the design. cut out the stitched petal shapes from the felt fabric. Experiment with different color combinations for the flowers and leaves to make the design uniquely yours. I painted the vase with white fabric paint to make it stand out against the dark grey fabric. After the paint dried, I stitched the outline of the vase with an outline stitch and braided chain stitch to give it a neat finish. And there you have it, a stunning flower vase design with a mix of traditional and 3D embroidery techniques. This project is not only creative and colorful, but also a wonderful way to enhance your embroidery skills.